gotten the pies out of the house. Now today is possibly the last day that me and the DRZ 400 are going to be together, because somebody is coming down now to look at the bike. They seem pretty keen, coming from West Wales, bringing a van, so it's likely that they're going to take it, because I know there's nothing wrong with it. It's absolutely fine, but unfortunately this stays in the garage. I start it up a couple of times a year, maybe take it for a 20-mile spin, then it goes back in the garage, because I got that Husky 701 now. I got no real desire to use this one. I haven't got the time to use this one. I barely got the time to use the other one, or the other two I should say, because I've still got that Honda Grom. Don't forget, if any of you watched my video, I bought a Honda Grom about 4 years ago. I've done very little with it. I want to mod it up a bit. I'm still intending on doing that, and I will get out on it and make a few videos, so watch this space. This is how she looks now. I've owned it for 10 years. 10 years, that has absolutely flown by. We've had a good few rides on it. I put quite a bit of mileage on this. I used to use it as a commuter to work and back. I've used it on several rides. Like I say, now I just don't get on the bikes as much, and I've got two other bikes anyway, so this one is going to go to a good home, and hopefully it's going to get ragged around with a few of this guy's mates on some supermotos, and it's going to be doing exactly what it should be doing, because preserving it in the garage is no good. Bike is to be ridden, and that's what it shall do. But for me and this DRZ, it really is ta-ta, farewell.